Hey everybody, we're going to do a carpet cleaning today. We got a vacuuming we're going to do first. Then we're going to do a body cleaning followed up by an end capping to get the customers carpet clean as we can get. Anyway, this girl's name is Beth. Say hi.
Hi.
Beth is brand new. She's going to be in business with me and Joe. She's a business partner. So anyway, you're going to see her on the channel. So anyway, Beth's part of the business. And if you want to say comments or say hi to her in the comments, go right ahead. She won't mind. Don't say anything inappropriate. She's a cute girl.
Yes, we're trying to tutor her in the paths of righteousness.
We're trying to teach her the Wheeler technique for carpet cleaning.
Don't say anything.
So, but anyway, she's gonna do some vacuuming and she's gonna do some cleaning, and I'm gonna do some too. And Joe's gonna film everything. So here we go. You're doing fine. I told Beth before the camera started, vacuum is your own way, and she's doing fine. She's going slow. She's going slower than I do, but she's going slow, so she'll get a deeper vacuum. But I told her just do it how you do it. Of course, we're gonna do a crisscross pattern. Beth knows how to vacuum, but she's never done it commercially before.
No.
Everybody knows how to vacuum, but commercial vacuuming is different than vacuuming your home.
I'm trying to keep the pattern. I don't know if I'm doing it.
You're all right. Just keep at it. Don't get nervous. Everybody starts somewhere. We're learning. Hey Beth, when you get that going this way, you want me to back the other way and give you a little breather? Since it's been a long, long day. Alright, I'll get the other direction. That's fine. Commercial vacuuming and home vacuuming are two different things. Everybody can vacuum a house, but commercials, it's a little different. You have a commercial vacuum for one thing like this, and you do it in a commercial manner. I'll do the other direction.
do the hall now? I'll go down there and then.
You gonna go down and stand by the bathroom? You want to do the hall? You want me to do it? You want to save yourself for the tonic then?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the hall, I told Beth, you can't go north, south, east, west because it's too narrow, so you just
Right.
go north and south aggressively.
Okay.
That makes up for not being able to cross direction. Let me wind up the cord and we'll get ready to start the party on the cleaning.
That's going to be all for this video. We're going to have a separate video with the cleaning here in a minute. So
That works for me.
you guys look like vacuum videos. Hope you enjoyed that. Till next time, thanks for watching.